Welcome to this detailed guide on how to add and edit widgets on your WordPress site. In this tutorial, you will learn to navigate through WordPress, sign in with your Google account, and then customize your site by adding and editing widgets. Let's begin with accessing WordPress. Open your preferred web browser and go directly to the WordPress website. When the homepage loads, take a moment to locate the login option found in the top right corner of the screen. This login button is your gateway to managing your site's features. Once you have found the login option, click on it. You will be presented with different authentication choices, and for this particular process you will select the option to continue with your Google account. If you choose this method, WordPress will automatically redirect you to a Google account selection page. On this page, carefully choose the Google account you wish to use for managing your WordPress site. Selecting the appropriate account will ensure that any changes you make are linked to the correct profile and website. After successfully signing in via your Google account, your next destination is within the Quick Links section. On the right side of the screen, you will notice the Edit Site link. This is an important step as it directs you into the site editing mode. Click on Edit Site and allow the editor to load. At this point, your screen will likely show a preview of your current website design with various modules and settings available for customization. After entering the site editor, you will need to locate your website listing among your sites. Find your desired website and click on it so that you can view its live preview and tools available for editing. Once inside the website editor, focus on the toolbar on top of the screen where you will see a plus icon. This icon is essential for adding new elements to your site. Click the plus icon to bring up a menu that provides several options you can use to build out your page. Within this menu, your task is to search for the section specifically dedicated to widgets. The widgets section is designed to help you add customizable features to your site without needing extensive coding knowledge. Take your time to scroll or type into the search field until you find the label that indicates the widgets segment. When you have located the widgets area, it is time to add your desired widget to your site. Simply click on the widget you want to include, and it will be inserted into the appropriate area of your page. After the widget appears on your site layout, you can further personalize it by altering its settings and content. To do this, double-click on the widget itself, which will open the editing options for that widget. This step is crucial because it allows you to directly adjust text, images, or other interactive elements that the widget contains. Make the specific changes that you need and confirm that they display as expected. By following these steps, you will have successfully added and edited a widget on your WordPress site. This process not only provides you with improved control over your site's functionality, it also enhances the overall user experience for your visitors. Enjoy the simplicity of quickly modifying your site elements and customizing your design efficiently with WordPress.